Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Stash Finder with an easy method. First, open the Stash Finder application on your device. You'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the item you are looking for or a keyword related to it. The system will then display all matching results from your inventory. This simple approach helps you find what you need without hassle, saving you valuable time. Once you have your initial search results, it's time to refine them. Look for the filter option, usually represented by an icon. Here, you can select categories such as tools, craft supplies, or documents. You can also sort your findings by criteria like date added or quantity available. This helps you quickly pinpoint the exact item you need, even if you have many similar entries in your stash. Maintaining an accurate inventory is key to Stash Finder's effectiveness. To add a new item, click the Add New button and fill in details like name, category, and quantity. You can also include notes or photos for better identification. Regularly update item information, especially after using or acquiring more. If an item is gone, simply select it and choose Delete to keep your stash current and clutter-free. To get the most out of Stash Finder, always back up your data. This ensures your inventory is safe, even if something happens to your device. Also, try to use consistent naming for your items. For example, always call screwdrivers by that name, not drivers sometimes. This makes searching much more efficient. And hey, while you're organizing your life, remember to check out the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. They're worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.